What's up, guys? Today I want to talk to you about taking a step back. This is something that's really important to be able to do pretty much no matter what you do in life. And this is ultimately because you will feel overwhelmed. You will feel scared. You will feel uncertain. There are times in life where you are going to be terrified. You're going to feel that everything's done, that everything is over, that you've lost everything that you've been working hard for. And it's really important that when you start feeling this, first, you identify that you're feeling that way. You have to be able to tell, hey, okay, I'm freaking out. This is kind of unusual. I'm not normally this neurotic, right? You have to be able to first notice that. And then once you've noticed it, you need to take a step away from whatever it is that's making you feel that way. I know this is hard because you're gonna feel like you have to fix whatever it is making you feel that way. But your mind is gonna be really clouded. In order to actively find the best solution, you have to distract yourself. You have to put your mind into something else so that you have time away from whatever it is that's causing this anxiety in your life. And I'm talking about like 6 hours away, 12 hours, not weeks, right? You just got to drop it for a bit and then pick the subject back up. And then you're going to find that you can do much better, that you can see things more clearly, right? But it's really critical that you learn to handle yourself when you're in these intense emotional states, because they're gonna happen, especially if you want to drastically change the quality of your life. You're going to go through phases where you get scared, where you doubt everything, and it's, again, really important to be able to take a step back. And your ability to take a step back is heavily dependent on the individuals in your life and the people that you live with. If you, and it's not also that, it's also about your habits and your tendencies. Like, let's say that all you do is dropship, right? That's all you do. You're gonna be freaking out right now, and you're gonna be freaking out for a while. It's gonna be really freaking hard because of all the changes, and if you pay any attention to stuff on YouTube or Facebook, everyone's talking a bunch of stuff, and it's scary and terrifying, right? If dropshipping is your whole life, this is a really hard time period right now, like really hard. But if dropshipping is just one part of your life, well, it's much easier to stay logical, isn't it? Because you can just take a step back, engage with the other parts of your life, the other things you're trying to do to make your future better, hang out with your friends, yada yada, and then come back and then know what the next best step is. Again, you have to be able to take a step back. And by this is a metaphor. And what I mean is, if you are trying to fix something, you're gonna get burned out if you work on it too much. Like, absolutely, you will get burned out. And you will get to a point where your ability to make the situation better is degraded so much that you might actually make it worse by making bad decisions. So it's really important that you can identify when it is that you're being particularly emotional or over the top, and learn to handle that well. If you can learn to handle your emotions properly, then you're going to do much better when it comes to like actually changing your life and living a better lifestyle and all that kind of stuff, right? So this was just a quick video. Just really wanted to hammer this point down. It is so important in life, no matter what you're doing, to be able to take a step back. Otherwise, you will become increasingly emotional, increasingly burned out, and you will make bad decisions. Make sure that when you're making decisions about your business, you are in a calm state of mind, or at least calmer than you've been, and you've given yourself time to reflect and also thought about something else. If this event is the only thing on your mind for this whole time, that's bad. You really need to have other things in your life that you can obsess about when this particular obsession isn't being quite fruitful, right? Really important. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.